Here we will write a program to print even numbers from a list. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. Here we will accept the list elements from the user. So first we will define empty list, then we will define one variable I which is initialized with 0, and in n we will accept number of elements in the list. So n equal to int input enter number of elements in list. Then we will use while loop for accepting the elements. So while I less than n. In E we will accept it. So E equal to int input enter element, and we will add E into the list by using append method. So L dot append E, and I equal to I plus 1. Then again we will initialize I with 0 and we will check even or odd numbers. So while I less than length of L, which is used to find length of a list, and then we will check if L of I mod 2 equal to 0, we will print L of I and we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then we will save it. We will name it as find even and execute it. It will ask to enter the number of elements. I will enter 5 and I will enter elements. It will print even numbers 4 to 8. Here we can print the message even numbers in list, and again we will execute it. I will enter number of elements in the list 5 and I will input the elements. It will print even numbers in list 864.